Good morning, everyone. This is Shailashri. I'm taking your grade 5 English. Our topic is that noun and the kinds of noun. In your previous class, you have learned about noun and types, but not all. 2 or 3 types you have learned. Today we are learning a little more about that. Little 2, 3 types more we are adding to that. So I'm not going to waste much time. I want to share my screen with you all. Let's just revise our topic, revise our memories, go back with the I want to show a slideshow. Okay, students, see there is a passage as given to you to read and you to solve this. How are you going to solve? It is just revise your memories. You learned about common noun and the proper noun. So just to make it confirm on the show, it's a small activity. I'm going to read this. We went to National Park last Sunday. My friend Juhi and her family joined us. The park has a big pond. There are many fishes in the pond. My brother Tanmay and Juhi's brother Rahul went to the pond with Juhi's parents. They gave a bread to the fishes. The fishes came close to them to get the bread. Now students, there is a 2 column you can see. There is a A column and the B column. What actually, when you read the passage, you can you come across many nouns. Now, what you have to do is that in the column A, you have to put the nouns which starts with a small letter, and the nouns which start with a capital letter, you has to put in a B column. I want to give you one hint. Common noun always start with the capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. And when we write the topic of the topic, that as a topic, that time the beginning of the letter will be capital. Otherwise, no. And proper noun is that beginning of the sentence, and anywhere if it falls in the middle of the sentence, we have to write that in a capital letter. Now I want to show you all the name list. Check the answer. A friend, family, park, pond, fishes, a brother, parents, a bread. National park, Sunday, Juhi, Tanmay, Rahul, also B. Friend is a common noun. Family is a common noun. Park is a common noun. Pond is a common noun. Fishes is a common noun. Whereas national park, we are particular, we are specific. Yes, when you are particular, when you are specific about any person, the people or things or animal, that name is a proper noun. Okay, but whereas as common noun is a generic name of a person, place, or a thing. It may be common, as it mentioned, name, common. Okay. Next to nouns, as I said, everything around us has a name. If without name, it's very tough to recognize anybody. Everything around us has a name. People is places, animal, things. Everything is having a name. Okay. Otherwise, as I said, it is really tough to recognize. Now, what are nouns? A noun is a term given to a word that names a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, some nouns are displayed with the name. Now, king, house, a fish, a boy, a camel, a car. These are the nouns. Now, with example, we'll understand better, okay? So here it is, some words in the sentence highlighted with the red ink. That word is highlighted to make you understand better. Now, Hari is a good boy. Hari is one boy. We are not talking about only the, we are talking about here one specific, one particular boy, Hari. That is a proper noun, yes. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. We are specific about here one place. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, that is some kind of a emotion, it's expression or the feeling where we are going to learn how to recognize this word in which category, which type of this noun we are going to understand next. Sumi is the tallest girl in the class. Again, Sumi, we are particular about Sumi. She is a proper noun. Gold is a precious metal. Now, gold is a metal. This will fall in one type of a noun. So, which type we are going to learn next class. And before going to next, I want you to find out, or we are going to find out, or identifying the mistakes in sentence. As you all know that how to write common noun, proper noun. Here they have made some mistakes. We have to find out. Few I will going to read it, y'all. Disneyland is my favorite theme park. Here, a park, it may be any park, a Lal Bagh, Kappan Park. We are not at all specified here, not at all particulars. It's a common name. So, but they have given it in a capital letter. So, park is a mistake. The Qutub Minar is in New Delhi. Qutub Minar is in New Delhi. Students, a Qutub Minar is a specific place, a particular place. Qutub and Minar separate, but calling together. But Minar supposed to be right in a capital letter. But we have not mentioned, so Minar is a one mistake. The New Delhi, we calling this is it's a specific name, capital of India, and here N is written in a small letter, D also written in a small letter. So N and D should be a capital. So New Delhi is a mistake. My dog Rocky ran quickly to the yard. See here, Rocky is a specific name of a dog. So we are supposed to write in a capital letter, but here it is in a small letter. So that's a mistake. Sunita is late for school. I'm not finding any mistake in the sentence. Moving to the next. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a specific particular state. One place, state. Own recognition is there. Yam supposed to be a capital. So Maharashtra is a mistake. The cat is chasing the mouse. See, mouse is common. So mouse has written as in a capital letter. That is wrong, mistakes, right? So students, this way, Tina is excited for the new toy car. When you are writing about toy car, it should be in a small letter, right? But they have written, that is a one mistake. Mistakes are that you can find out more. I'm just reading few in this. The president, P should be a capital. President of India, India is a specific country, a particular country, so I should be a capital. Lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan is a place, a specific place. It should be in a capital letter, R and B. Rita did not complete her homework. Rita did not complete her homework. No mistakes in this. Jia plays games on her computer. Computer should be, C should be in a small letter. So this is the answer few I recognize. Still are there? Any mistakes are there? You can find out. Yeah. Moving to the next. Now, what can you see below? I have a picture of a group of ants, right? I have a picture of a group of frogs. I have a picture of, together a bunch of flowers, a group of birds, group of grapes, group of cows. So what is this? It's a collection. Is a collection. Collection of things, take it as a whole. We call group, which can be applied to the people, animals, and other things. We call this as a group. For this particular group, we call as a what with a name. That is a collective noun. That is a collective noun. Now see, in a definition that collective nouns are names given to a group of person, place, animals, or things. A bunch of flowers, bouquet of flowers, herd of sheep, flock of birds, and hives, beehives. So there is many more are there. So it is easy to us to recognize in a one group, right? So it's a collection of nouns together. We are considering this as in one group. Maybe it is a people, maybe it is a place, maybe it is animal. Like so players. Player are all comes under people, right? Person. So collection of players together as a team. Right. So this is the way how we are recognizing. Moving to the next, the list of collective nouns. So the best way to remember this is that memorization. So memorization, I'm not saying it in mug, you have to read it, and when you read, you have to keep it in your mind. So daily, whenever you get a 10 minutes or 5 minutes, keep keep that, keep it revise, go on revising, and it will be in your mind. A team of players, as I said, they have given it in groups. People, a team of players, a gang of thieves, a panel of experts, a board of directors, a troop of acrobats, a battalion of soldiers. Okay, so coming to the animals, a herd of cows, a flock of geese, a colony of ants, and pride of lions, pack of owls, school of fish, a troop of monkeys, a pod of whales, and a suit of rooms, union of states, a fleet of ships, a library of books, a chain of islands, a set of tools, a flight of stairs. So this way, we are grouping, and with the group one name, we are considering it, calling that. Too easy to recognize. Find the collective nouns in this. She shuffle the deck of cards. So, which name is the word? A deck of cards? Yes. A pack of wolves circled the herd of buffaloes. Pack of wolves. A pride of lions chased a herd of zebras. A pride of lions. A litter of puppies were roaming in the garden. A litter of puppies is a group. We bought our mother a bouquet of roses. Bouquet of roses is a group name. The crowd of people cheered the football team. It's a team, okay? And the audience clapped for the cast of the play. Cast of the play. Or the audience clapped. So I'm going to show you. See, there is a groups, a deck, a pack, a herd, a pride herd, a little bouquet, crowd, audience, a cast of the play. Now, I hope you have noted down. Next is C. There is a words for the collective nouns. I am not going to take this now. Now we will move to the material nouns, okay? We will move to the material nouns. As I said, now what do you mean by the material nouns? Can you see the pictures, each one, recognize what it is? First picture, it is iron, then there's a rice, the cloth, water, then gold. Now what do you mean by that? See, a material or substance from which things are made, such as a silver, gold, irons, these are called as a material noun. These are called as a material noun. See, a material noun refers to a material or substance from which things are made. A material noun can be felt, touched and seen. Okay? Example, material nouns from nature, water, air, silver, gold, coin, iron, copper, sand, coal, rock, sunlight, rain, earth, etc. Material nouns from animals, honesty, milk, silk, leather, wool. Material nouns from plants, a cotton, wood, oil, wood, jute, a medicine, tea, rubber, perfume. Then coming to the next, a man-made material nouns. From this material substances using man will make some materials. That is acid, a brick, a cement, a butter, chalk, ghee, cheese, a gelatin, paraffin, a cloth. Now you have to identify the material nouns in the sentence. At least we will attempt 3 students. Water is an essential element of earth. So water is a material noun. And wait a minute. My sister gave a diamond pendant. Diamond. A coal is found in a coal mine. Coal. We get a sunlight from the sun. Sunlight. We should eat a less salt. Salt. Use coconut oil for my hair. We should eat less salt. Okay, so I'm going to show the answer to you all. See, water, diamond, coal, sunlight, salt, coconut oil, wood, butter, silk, honey. These all are the materials made by materials. Now, what is each person expressing here? One person is hugging and consoling maybe. One boy is expressing with anger. He is giving some expression. One mom is very sad, upset. One mama is giving affection, love to the child. One boy is thinking about something and angry. So these are what? These are, you can see it, right? You can feel it. You can touch it. No, you can... You can feel, you can see that, these are some emotions. As in the beginning, I said honesty, one word I have said. That honesty, you cannot feel it, you cannot touch it, you can only feel it. Confidence, you can see, but you can feel, you can see and feel it. And kindness and trust. You cannot see it, you can only just feel it, and get into that. So next, moving to see, abstract noun. What we call for that emotions, we call that it's an emotion. It's like, where feelings are more, emotions are more, where physical being will be not there, okay? Physical being will be not there. So, it's like an adjective. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, noun and verbs. Now, there are some words they have given example. You can refer this like brother, brotherhood, child, childhood, think, thought, strong, strength, difficult, difficulty. This you all have learned. But still, next, definitely I'm sharing this to you all with at home. Next, moving to identify the abstract noun. I respect my friend's honesty. Can you believe that woman's brilliance, honesty? We have a lot to hope. They showed extreme joy when they helped others. The soldiers displayed bravery. Mother always shows great compassion. We have lots of faith. And I was in awe of Royal Palace. So these are the words example for the abstract noun. Honesty, brilliance, hope, joy, bravery, compassion. Okay, still there is more out there, but I don't want to go further next. For today's class, I'm going to stop here and I'm going to continue this same topic in my next class with more of example. And students, important thing is that what we have learned about in this class. Okay, we have learned about material noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Collective noun is a group of people, a person, group of people, animals and things name. And abstract noun about the emotions. There is no physical being, it's about happiness, it's about honesty, it's about, there are more adjective words will come and verbs will come in this. And other thing is that, next class we're going to do some textual questions also. Okay, and thank you for being with me, to listening to me patiently. And any doubts are there, please let me know, students.